Hey guys! Today, we're gonna be investigating something because you know those conspiracies that Fman's back for 2018? He might actually be back. I was watching a video. I'll type the person's username down because I really don't know how else to do that, so yeah. This is my main account until I get membership again. This is it right here. I can't, because this account doesn't have free chat. But this is her thing with 3SAJ. She uses a screencast cinematic too. You should go subscribe to her. And I was watching one of her videos and I said Fman's back. She made it a week ago. And she went to this girl's den, Wolf QT. She went to her den. And right here's the portal to Fman's den. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Are you guys ready? Because I know I'm ready. So the username has been changed, but I'll show some footage right now. Here.
If you couldn't tell, be quiet. Nobody cares about you. Okay. If you couldn't tell, me and North Homestead are at Fman122's den, but if you click on the username, it doesn't bring anything up. It's insane! Because so what you have to do is, I think go to Wolf QT's den and go through the portal. Yeah, this person. I'm gonna bloody that. That's weird! That's insane.
Wait, what's their user?
Wolf QT. Whoa, that's some great art, man. I'm going to
Are they a bunny?
Yeah, they're a bunny. Then you go through this portal, I think. Ah, my dog wants out. Boom, you get here. But like, please don't go like to their den and be like, hey, I heard Fman's den.
If some of you didn't believe me, do believe me now. This is Fman's den. And as she said in the video, I don't know if it was bad quality, because sometimes when I show stuff on my channel, it's bad quality. But as she said, don't go to her den and be like, oh my god, Fman is here. Like, don't do that. Don't be like, oh my god, Fman's den is here. We can go to Fman's den. Don't do that. Clearly, she was around with the 2011 hacking, so she has a 4th birthday cake. So thank you for watching this video. I'm gonna call it like an Fman warning. So yeah. And be very careful in the community, because if you search up Fman122, nothing pops up. So I was just in his den. Now let's do the weekly shout out. Okay, just randomly scrolling, just randomly. And click this person who's gonna get it today. Lilyface8, congratulations, you won yourself a shout out. Go buddy Lilyface and gift her, and please send gifts. I am doing a mail time pretty soon. Thank you and goodbye.